My name is Pratish. I am the manager for sales and marketing at the Littlearth group.
I'm Mohan. I head strategy for this group.
Littlearth is a group of offbeat resorts in locations around Ooty, Bandipur and Karwar. So we have 3 resorts in Ooty. One is Destiny Farms, which is a nature-based farm resort. It's about a 128-acre property. And then we have 2 heritage British properties in the main town in Ooty called Kingscliff and Sherlock. And a property in the name of Mangifera by Bandipur, which is famous for its wildlife. And then a private island resort in Karwar called the Sintikor Island Resort. Littlearth basically offers offbeat experiences around South India.
We had 2 major problems. One is data silos, the other one is communication silos.
We were very commonly using the spreadsheets for all of the data that we used to collect, and it was mainly spread across various spreadsheets at various departments.
We wanted to unify all this data to bring in insights to derive something meaningful out of it. And then the other problem we were facing was communication silos. When I say communication silos, it means a salesperson will be answering a call. If some other salesperson handles the same customer through another channel, they don't know what actually happened with the customer. We also don't know the communication history with the customer. Basically, this communication silos was causing a lot of problems inside.
And that's when we moved into taking up a CRM as the solution for all of this.
When we started researching for a CRM solution, Zoho was easily a prominent name when it comes to CRM. And we were researching deep into Zoho CRM. When we were researching deep, we also came across a recommendation for Bigin as a lightweight and simple solution to start with. When we first started using it, we found that this solution was built for businesses like us without having to do a lot of setup.
Once we got Bigin, the first thing we did was to import all the contacts that we had on the spreadsheets, and it was a simple thing of just using the spreadsheets to upload the contacts. And we had close to 50,000 contacts on a spreadsheets that we uploaded to Bigin on one go.
When we brought Bigin in, we have seen increase in business. It has saved a lot of time for our salespeople to talk to customers more, to understand their requirements, to custom made their itinerary, to curate their experience. Bigin has taken care of all the communications and all the data analysis and the other requirements. So we were able to close leads better, and we've been having better conversions. I would say that after bringing in Bigin, we've seen at least 15% growth in revenue.
After we started using Bigin, we also found the dashboard feature being very useful. So we use dashboards mainly for various reasons, and a few of those are: one, to see what is the revenue targets that we've budgeted for a month, and what is the revenue that we've currently achieved in a month. And we also use the dashboard to see what each executive in the sales team has achieved basis on their targets that have been set for them. It also helps us track the number of calls, be it inbound, outbound or missed calls, that have been landed to each sales executive. We've also been able to track the number of calls each sales executive is either taking as an inbound call or making an outbound call, or the number of calls that they have been missed. On the full, the dashboards have been a very important feature for the management, where it's been helping us track all the details that we're looking for on a daily basis. So the communication channels we use on Bigin are cloud telephony solution. We've integrated our Extend Cloud Telephony with the Bigin CRM, and we use this where an inbound call lands directly to the CRM, and otherwise if one of our executives want to make an outgoing call, they're able to do it through the CRM. This also helps us keep a record of all the calls as to from which particular contact that particular call is being received. So we're able to track and see if there was any misinformation given, if there was any guest telling that they had received a false information, or if we also use it to train our executives based on the calls that have been recorded. Apart from that, we also use the WhatsApp integration.
Today, everybody prefers WhatsApp. it is their primary mode of communication. And now that Bigin is integrated with WhatsApp, our team is able to answer guest queries instantly, and it has bring down the amount of time that it takes for somebody to reply. If it is an email communication, it takes a lot of time to go in and draft, but with the help of WhatsApp integration, we are now able to do a quick reply to all our guest queries. Our experience with Bigin has been very positive. With Bigin, we spend less time on management and data entry, and we spend more time on curating the experience for our guests.
With Bigin, we just don't track leads, we close them faster.